Hi, it's Chris. In this video, we're going to be talking about the proper use and care of your refrigerator. Proper use of your fridge is very important, not only from a food safety perspective, but as well as the cost savings you can have by being energy efficient. Here are some tips for using your fridge properly. Keep the temperature between 35 and 40 degrees Fahrenheit. This range is considered safe for storage of perishable goods as well as meat and dairy. Use the thermometer to check the temperature regularly and adjust the temperature settings if necessary. Keep your fridge clean and organized. Don't pack too many items in your fridge. Make sure that there's lots of room for air to circulate, ensuring proper cooling. Store uncooked meat and seafood on the bottom shelf. This will prevent cross-contamination with other foods. Keep the fridge door closed as much as possible to maintain the internal temperature and to conserve energy. Allow hot foods to cool down to room temperature before putting them in the fridge. Doing so will reduce the amount of a heat load that you're suddenly putting in that refrigerator that it'll have to compensate for. Now that we've gone over some tips on the proper use of your refrigerator, let's talk about some items around proper care. Caring for your refrigerator is essential in order to ensure its longevity and cost-effective operation. The first thing we want to talk about is the cleaning of the exterior and interior of your refrigerator, as it's very important. A dirty fridge is a breeding ground for bacteria like Salmonella, Listeria, and E. coli. You'll want to wipe down the interior of the fridge once a week before grocery shopping, and you'll want to do a deep clean every 3 to 4 months. So as part of your deep clean, you'll also want to clean the exterior. And part of that will be cleaning your door gaskets and cleaning where the door gaskets adhere to the cabinet. As well, you'll want to look at cleaning your condenser coils, removing any dust by using a brush or a vacuum. Dirty coils will force the fridge to work harder, costing you more in electricity and reducing its efficiency. Our next item will be to check and replace the fridge's water filter regularly. If your fridge has a built-in water dispenser or ice maker, it may have a filter that needs to be replaced every 6 to 12 months, depending on usage. Finally, you'll want to check your door seals at least once a year. If those seals are damaged or worn, cold air can be escaping from the fridge, which will cause it to work harder than necessary. Replace any damaged door seals promptly. Thanks very much for watching our guide on the use and care of your refrigerator. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. And while you're at it, swing over to Fix.com and check out our blog.